Namaskaram and welcome. You are now watching part 7 of our ongoing series on Bhadragali Mahatmyam. In this sacred storytelling journey, we bring to life the glorious tale of Devi Bhadragali, once preserved only in Malayalam, now presented in both English text and narration for devotees and seekers everywhere. This offering is made possible through the grace and tireless efforts of Guruji Chidakasha Bhairavanatha, the revered Pidadipati of Kanchana Peetham. Under his divine guidance, this series seeks to awaken within us the fierce compassion and protective power of Devi Bhadragali. For those who wish to read the complete text, you may visit the Kanchana Peetham website. Link is given in the description below. We invite you to immerse yourself fully in this sacred tale. Now, let us continue our journey. In the previous episode, Devi Bhadragali vanquished the 8 mighty generals of Daruka. Enraged by their fall, Daruka himself, blazing with fury and armed with formidable weapons, prepared to storm onto the battlefield to face the goddess. Before leaving for the battlefield, Daruka initiated his wife Manodari into the 2 divine mantras given to him by Brahmadev. He advised her to chant them daily with devotion and purity, offer respect and service to sages and guests, and pray for his victory. Consoling his wife, Daruka mounted his golden chariot, drawn by 32 mighty horses, adorned in gold and silver, and thundered into the battlefield. As his vast army spread like an ocean of steel, Daruka shouted, "O woman, you boast after slaying my brave ministers? If you truly possess valor, fight me." Goddess Bhadragali answered, not with words, but with weapons. Her astras met his in dazzling fury. Agnyastra with Parjanyastra, Varunastra with Parvatastra, Nagastra with Garudastra. The heavens trembled as divine powers clashed. At last, Daruka invoked his most fearsome weapon, the Brahmadanda, a weapon that none could withstand. The Devas watching from above grew terrified. They prayed to Brahmadev himself to soften its force. Responding to their prayers and remembering the condition Brahmadev had set that the Brahmadanda would be ineffective if used against a woman, the weapon stood still in the air and withdrew. Exhausted from the fierce exchange, Devi Bhadragali withdrew from the battlefield to regain her strength. As the goddess pondered her next move, Devi Durga appeared before her. Devi Durga said, "Daruka's wife chants the very mantras that shield him. His strength flows from her devotion. I will learn these mantras from her." With that, Devi Durga took the form of a young Brahmin maiden and went to Daruka's palace. Manodari welcomed the girl warmly and offered her gold, jewels, and fine garments. But the maiden smiled and said, "I seek not wealth. I am a young girl, and these things will be easily stolen by thieves, and I cannot safeguard them. I know your husband has given you mantras that grant victory and also salvation. Can you please teach me those?" Manodari felt it would be good if the maiden also chanted the mantras for Daruka's victory. After all, two people chanting prayers for the victory of Daruka would be more effective than her just chanting alone. And she also felt that the maiden being a Brahmana girl could make the mantras work even faster. Believing this would strengthen her husband's protection, Manodari whispered the two sacred mantras into the maiden's ear. Devi Durga departed from the palace, resumed her original form, and taught the mantras to Devi Bhadragali. Renewed with the power of those mantras, Devi Bhadragali returned to battle, radiant like 1,000 suns, and shattered Daruka's chariot. His horses fell, his charioteer perished, and his flagpole snapped in two. The once invincible Brahmadanda now failed him completely. Daruka, realizing something had gone wrong, fled to his palace. He asked Manodari, "Did anyone come here while I was away?" Manodari told him everything. Daruka's face turned solemn. He understood his fate. "My time has come," he said, consoling his wife. "Do not grieve. Go to your father's home and live in peace." Outside, Devi Bhadragali's army had surrounded the Asura's city. The Bhutaganas set fire to its fortresses and towers. Under Devi's command, the Bhutaganas destroyed the capital entirely. Ignoring the omens that warned his doom, a broken flagstaff, a throbbing eye, and a door beam striking his head, an angry and desperate Daruka returned once more to battle. For 21 days, the war raged on between the goddess and the Asura. The Vetala, her fearsome Vahana, feasted on the bodies of fallen demons. At last, Daruka's Brahmadanda fell from his hands. The goddess seized it and turned its powers on him. Daruka, broken and terrified, fled as Bhadragali, blazing with divine wrath, pursued him across the battlefield. And with that, we bring the 7th chapter of this sacred Bhadragali Mahatmyam series to a close. If this story touched your heart or deepened your devotion, we invite you to support this journey. Like, share, and subscribe to the Kanchana Peetham channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss the next video as we continue unveiling the radiant glory of Devi Bhadragali. This English narration is one among the many spiritual initiatives at Kanchana Peetham offered with devotion and reverence. Under the divine guidance of Guruji, the Guru Krupa Tantrika Vidyalaya nurtures sincere seekers in the living traditions of Mantra Vidya, Tantra Vidya, Yantra Shastra, and Devata Aradhana through both personal guidance and online training. At present, aspirants can enroll in specialized courses such as Ganapati Puja, Skanda Upasana, Hanuman Mantra Vidya, Karupaswami Japa Vidhana, and the rare Chatu Shastri Yogini Puja, a sacred discipline invoking the blessings of the 64 yoginis. Beyond teaching, Kanchana Peetham also offers Parihara Pujas for astrological and Vastu related concerns, handcrafted energized yantras for spiritual empowerment, and traditional Vastu Shastra consultations to restore balance and harmony in your living spaces. Thank you for walking this sacred journey with us. We look forward to seeing you again in the next chapter of Bhadragali Mahatmyam. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.